Hi and welcome back to a new card making video. Today I'm sharing how I made this distress ink background with an embossing folder. I start by inking up the complete folder with pine needles distress ink, and I'm using watercolor paper. I add a little bit of water to reactivate the ink. I dry the whole background before I go in with my next layer. I'm squishing the ink onto my glass mat and dip in my card. Again, I am drying everything with my heat tool before I go in with the next layer. I'm using walnut stain together with my mini Gelli Plate. I used the Gelli Plate together with an acrylic block, and I don't press too much when I apply the ink. For my main image, the flower, I use a distress ink background and I'm using picked raspberry together with wild honey. I'm also using watercolor for that. I picked a flower stamp from Rubber Dance. It's from the Crazy Flowers stamp set, and I used my Tim Holtz stamp platform to get a good impression because of the watercolor paper. I cut it out directly to the black line. I wanted the flower to stand out even more against the background, so I decided to add a white frame to it. My sentiment comes also from Rubber Dance, and I emboss it onto black cardstock with white embossing powder. I adhere some glitter washi tape to the bottom of my card base. I add some extra glue because I don't trust the washi tape. After I've glued down the card front, I adhere the flower and also the sentiment with 3D foam pads. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I hope we see you next time. Bye!